So if you're going through this journey, I highly recommend that if you're still using Ingress, evolve it and start using the gateway API, right? Your waypoint proxy kind of relies on that for a lot of things. I think before you even begin migrating to Ambient Mesh, start migrating from Ingress to gateway API and then begin your Ambient Mesh journey. That's what I would recommend.
Maybe you've already had customer conversations around this, or maybe you have some customers in mind that you've talked to in the past that are using service mesh. But in general, like what are the best use cases for ambient mesh?
The use case would be, so in terms of a service mesh, it fits any service mesh use case, right? If you have a lot of microservices, you want to handle communication between all these different microservices, a service mesh is good. But specifically ambient mesh, I would say if you're already using a service mesh and you realize that you're using a lot of L4 filtering, and not a lot of L7 filtering, but you're stuck with both, right? Just because of the package sidecar model, then I think you should genuinely consider ambient mesh. Not only is it going to be better performance, it's going to be quite a tasty amount of cost savings, right? I think that's the most appealing thing for anyone. So I think that's the best use case for it. If you have those kind of workload split, where there's a lot of L4 stuff going on, not much L7 stuff, but you've got a sidecar proxies everywhere, you're going to get a lot of benefits from the ambient mesh.